What's up, everyone? This is Bill. I got an update on the 2018 Honda Grom for you. This is the project bike I've been working on. So, recently ordered this from eBay. This is the straight from Thailand, from a company called Noi, N-O-I. So, I got this on eBay. If you're looking to see if you got a fake one or not, the real ones are imprinted right on the plastic underneath the seat that says NOI, and it should have this tag. The fake ones will be using a stock plastic seat bottom and rewrapped with the Bride Racing. Okay, and then also from Steady Garage, these are from TST Industries. The snakeskin tech spec pads on both sides. And we also put the RAM mount on there for the phone, and then we do have the gold Womtech bar ends from Steady Garage. You see there, those are the gold. We're gonna put a new grip on here. We had to cut that. Okay, so what we're working on right now is this, and this is from hardracing.com. Okay, so this is the KITACO Racing Company new clutch cover. It deletes the oil spinner, and you now will use a standard oil filter. Plans in the future to add the oil cooler, and it has in and out ports right there. You now have a window to check your oil, no more using the dipstick. Again, it's got lots of room behind this. So here's this. These are stock parts that have came off the bike. This is a Chimera CNC billet aluminum clutch plate that is already on the bike. This is the stock parts right here. And I got this from Steady Garage. And the Koso Superflow oil pump. You can actually find that on Amazon right now on sale. I believe it was only like 40 bucks. 40 bucks. So again, that's Steady Garage, $40. Amazon, $40. There you go. Okay, and then these are the KITACO 60% stiffer clutch springs, and those I got on Hard Racing when I ordered the KITACO stuff. Okay, so here's what it looks like on the bike. So there's your Koso oil pump, the Superflow oil pump. Okay, spinner deleted. Again, that's 2.5 pounds right off the spinning mass. This weighs maybe 10 ounces, something like that. Okay, and then you have the Chimera CNC billet aluminum clutch plate, and that's the 60% stiffer KITACO springs back there. So we just got to put this cover back on, put some oil in her. Oil pump's already been primed. And one thing a little hint for you if you're doing this install like I did, if you leave the spinner on and use the tool that Hard Racing offers, I'm sure you can find this anywhere else, it's just a pulley holder, clutch pulley holder type thing. If you leave that locked onto the spinner, so you have your spinner on there and you have your tool locked on there, you can get these bolts out, and now you have something to hang on to, so this whole system, your clutch system, doesn't try to spin. And then I was able to put this all back on here while the spinner was on there, and I was able to hold on to it with that special tool. Okay, and don't forget, you're gonna need the this little guy, and it is a piece of shit to use, but Hard Racing offers it. You can find them on Amazon. Okay, that's going to be to remove the nut holding on the spinner, the oil spinner. Okay, make sure you clean your screen out, leave your screen in there, and we're going to put it all back together now. So there you go. We'll do a little updated video after we get it all back together. Okay, so just took the bike out for the first time on a nice little run. And everything, as you can see here, everything is finished up. Make sure when you're doing your oil that you want the bike to be level. As you can see, our oil line comes up. And we got no leaks. So, night and day difference by adding those parts to the bike. The bike is a torque monster now. For a little mini bike, it has a lot of torque. Second gear wheelies, easy. Of course, I do have the dual exhaust on it, and then the Chimera intake with K&N filter. So anyway, just want to give you a little update. If you plan on doing this to your bike, it is a tremendous difference. The bike's got kind of a whining sound to it now as you let off the throttle. Sounds a little different. But there you have it. So that is the KITACO Racing Company's clutch cover and spinner delete kit. And then you have the Koso oil pump, Chimera CNC clutch plate, and the KITACO 60% stipper springs. So there you go. That's the 2018 Honda Project Grom. Check the links in the descriptions for all the parts that I used on this bike, on this little clutch cover kit. Have a good day.